Hi, today we are going to talk about simplifying algebraic expressions. First example, simplify 5gh minus 4jk minus 3gh plus 10. So when you are given algebraic expressions, first of all, when you are given algebraic expressions to simplify, check the like terms. So first term is gh, 5gh. Then jk, gh and jk, unlike terms. Then we have another gh here. So 5gh and 3gh we can collect. So I'm going to write them together. 5gh minus 3gh. Then we have 4jk and 10. So that I continue writing that 4jk plus 10. Then I can simplify 5gh and 3gh. That is 5gh subtract 3gh. So 5 subtract 3, that is 2. 2gh minus 4jk plus 10. These cannot be simplified. They are unlike terms. Second example, that is 3p squared minus 5p squared plus 10p minus 6p. So first term we can see that is p squared, and p. So it's already collected. So these are like terms. And these two also like terms. So I'm going to simplify them separately. So it is 3p squared minus 5p squared. 3 minus 5, that is minus 2p squared. Then here it is 10p minus 6p. 10 minus 6, that is 4p. Example number 3. 3x squared y minus xy squared plus 5yx squared minus 2y squared x. So first term is x squared y. Then we check, are there any x squared y terms? Yeah. Third term we have x squared y, that is 5. Then we have to collect them and write together, that is 3x squared y plus 5y x squared. Then we have xy squared, and this also xy squared. That also we have to write together, that is minus xy squared minus 2y squared x. This is like terms, and these two are also like terms. So 3x squared y add 5x squared y. 3 add 5, that is 8. 8x squared y. Then here minus xy squared minus 2y squared x. So we have same sign, minus and minus. Then you have to add the numbers, that is 3, and put the sign minus 3 xy squared. Then example number 4, h to the power 3 plus 6h minus 5h squared minus 2h plus 7 plus 5h squared. Then h to the power 3, are there any h to the power 3's? No. Then I continue writing that h to the power 3. Then we have h to the power 2. Then here also h to the power 2. We have to collect them, that is minus 5h to the power 2 add 5h to the power 2. Then we have h terms, that is plus 6h minus 2h. Then we have numerical terms, that is minus 5 plus 7. So h to the power 3 term that you have to continue writing because there are no any other h to the power 3's. Okay, then we have minus 5h squared plus 5h squared. They get cancelled. Then 6h minus 2h, that is 4h. Then minus 5 plus 7, that is plus 2. Number 5, that is multiply 6a to the power 3 times 4a to the power 2. When powers multiply, indices are added. That you must know before doing this. So when you multiply, you have to multiply numbers first. That is easy. 6 times 4, that is 24. 6 times 4, then a to the power 3, I write here, a to the power 3 times a to the power 2, and 24. A to the power 3 times a to the power 2 means powers multiply, indices are added. 3 add 2, that is 5. So a to the power 5. And this one, numbers, you have to multiply 3, 4, and 5. 3 times 4, that is 12. 12 times 5, that is 60. Then I have x to the power 2 times x. So x to the power 2, same base, x means x to the power 1. So x to the power 2 times x, that is x to the power 3, right? 60 x to the power 3. This one can be done in two different ways. I'm going to do basic one here. Okay, so that is 3a to the power 2 can be written as 3a times 3a times 5a. 3a to the power 2, 3a times 3a. Now numbers you multiply first. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 5, 45. A times a times a, that is a to the power 3. Now this is method 2, that is 3a whole thing to the power 2 times 5a. As you know, when you have power of a power, you have to multiply inside indices by the outside index. So it is 3 to the power, here 1 and 1, they become 2. So 3 to the power 2 and a to the power 2 times 5a. 3 to the power 2 means 9. A to the power 2 times 5a. 9 times 5, 45. A to the power 2 times a to the power 1, that is a to the power 3. Next, we have multiplication and subtraction. So we have different operations. So in that case, we have to use BIDMAS. That means multiplication, division before addition and subtraction. So I'm going to do this first. So 5 times 3, that is 15. Then x to the power 2 times x, that is x means x to the power 1. X to the power 2 times x to the power 1, that is x to the power 3. Then y to the power 3 times y to the power 1, that is y to the power 4. Subtract 2 x to the power 3 y to the power 4. Now you can see x to the power 3 y to the power 4, x to the power 3 y to the power 4. So they are like terms. Then you can subtract and write the answer. 15 subtract 2, that is 13. X to the power 3 y to the power 4. Example number 9. That is 3ab to the power 2 times 5a to the power 2b to the power 4 minus 4a to the power 2b to the power 5 times 5a to the power 2b. So I can see multiplication here, here also multiplication, and here minus. So here we have a bracket. We have to do that first. We'll do that. That is 3ab to the power 2. So as you know, when you have power of a power, it's better we write inside the bracket powers, and you know this inside powers multiplied by this 2. Then this becomes 3 to the power 2, a to the power 2, and b to the power 2 times 5, a to the power 2, b to the power 4. And this I multiply and write, that is minus 4 times 5, 20, a to the power 2 times a to the power 2, that is a to the power 4. B to the power 5 times b to the power 1, that is b to the power 6. Now I can multiply this. So 3 to the power 2, that is 9. 9 times 5, that is 45. Then a to the power 2 times a to the power 2, that is a to the power 4. B to the power 2 times b to the power 4, that is b to the power 6. Subtract 20, a to the power 4, b to the power 6. Now check the unknowns. Here a to the power 4, b to the power 6. A to the power 4, b to the power 6. They are like terms. Then we can simplify. 45 subtract 20, that is 25. 25, a to the power 4, b to the power 6. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.